We are pleased to show you the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.